Racing Kings bankroll. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
What's up guys, it's Shamsi here with another video. Sorry for the shaky camera angles. This road is completely doody, bruv. Today I'm gonna be installing some goodies from Ktec Racing. Look at this cyclist, bruv. Oh my days. Anyway, installing some goodies from K-Tec. What are you doing, bruv? Oh my god. Oh, bruv. Anyway, we're gonna be installing some goodies from Ktec Racing, and I'm gonna be installing a Ktec panel filter, and I'm gonna be debadging the Clio. Then I'm gonna be putting on the Ktec Racing badge at the back. Been waiting a while to get these things, but yeah, we're gonna be doing it. Now, the reason why I went with the panel filter rather than the induction kit, trust me, I love the sound of the induction kit. It sounds fucking wicked, mate. But the only problem was the heat soak. I know you guys can say that, oh, you could have got the Ktec Racing induction kit. I know y'all hear that. Okay, anyway, the reason why I went with the panel filter instead of the induction kit is basically, bro, I'm not about to spend £200 to £300 for an induction kit. And I know that you guys can say, oh, you could have went to Alphas and make your own heat shield. Yeah, I did that already, and guess what? I was still getting heat soak, and it was fucking terrible, man. So I opted for the panel filter. The perks of the panel filter is I'm going to be getting the exact same power to an induction kit. Well, not exact, because the induction kit from Ktec Racing is not a cold air intake. It's just there to minimize the amount of heat soak that you're going to get. But the heat shielding is painted in black, which also means that you're going to be absorbing more heat. So I think it should be painted silver. But anyway, that's a whole nother topic. Scientist brain going out. But yeah, literally, so that's why I went with the panel filter. It's just much more easier to just swap it out, you know. And you can also get a service kit for it when you're gonna go do your service, so you don't throw it away. Obviously, I ain't got a sticker for it. I should have got a sticker, but I can't find a sticker. So what do you want me to do? Another thing is the price difference. So we're talking about $250 for the induction kit from Ktec Racing. I know there's some cheaper options out there, but I don't know where they are. But fuck it, gives a fuck. Panel filter was $27.99. Amazing. It said there was the last one on there, so I kind of feel like a G right now because I got the last one. Get me? Yeah. Hopefully we get the same, how can I put it? We get the same gains, the same power, the same whole shebang. Hopefully we get the same thing from it. I'm not expecting to hear any induction noise because that's not really what I'm going for. I'll go for that when, you know, obviously I have more money where I can do that. But as for now, I'm not really going to be focusing on induction noise. But if I do hear some, it's a plus. So those are the reasons why I've gone for that. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick the camera when I'm installing it. This is not, it's gonna be a short-ish video. It's not gonna be too long. You know, I'm just swapping out a panel filter. It takes like 30 seconds to do. But anyway, I don't really want to stretch it too much. Look at this. Nope, never mind. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's Shamsi. Wait, what? I'm not editing the video. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm gonna install it. So yeah, in about now, basically. Here we have the KTR badge. It is so amazing. Look at it. Wow, bro. That is so sexy. And then we got the KTR panel filter. This is what I was talking about. It's still the foam. So it should have the same effect as the induction kit, but without the heat soak issues and whatnot. So first thing what I'm gonna do, we are gonna fit the panel filter. So what you're gonna do is, for the people that don't know, you're gonna wanna Pop your bonnet. Sorry for the dirt down there. I came from work. Pop your bonnet. First step. I'm gonna pop this out right here. So if you can see, move this right here. There's like a little clip. You push it up. You push it and you pull, and it comes off. And you do it to the other side as well. Boom. Simple as. Now, what you're gonna do? You're gonna push it down, like so, and pull straight. As you can see, this is all the dirty filter, bro. Look at the inside. That is fucking gross, bro. That's all of it gross. This is pretty old. I'm not sure how old this is, but look at all of that. Look at all of that peeling out. Oh, that's nasty. Cool. Throw that to the side. Then, gonna get your KTR. Little Pannel Filter thing. Undo it, and yeah, so wait, what's in here? Nothing's in here. I'm not sure which way, but I'm guessing it should be like this. Nah, it should be like this. I think this makes more sense. Yeah, so you gotta face it with this part, with this mesh facing upwards. Cool. So once that's done, I'm gonna push it in. Push it in, and then look it up. So down, put up. It's gonna be a little bit fiddly because you know it's not the original one, but should still fit a bit tight, but yeah. Something like this. Yeah, so we got the badge on, and we got an intake on as well. Yeah. There's literally no difference in the sound. There's no induction sound or nothing. We're kind of expecting that, to be honest. But got the intake on, got the badge on. The badge it looks okay on the car. I might do the Clio part off camera. So I'm doing it now because it's gonna rain any minute now. To be honest, I was kind of rushing because this weather is a bit. What's the word? Bipolar. Perfect word for English weather. One time it's sunny, one time it's raining. Like the fuck, don't make no sense. But anyway, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the KTR badge and the panel filter, which I don't think they're going in stock, but you can get it from the original KTR website. They might have it in stock, but I got mine from eBay, which is from the original place as well, but just selling on eBay. Anyway, I'm waffling. But yeah, I think that'll do it. It's Shamsi signing out. Peace.